Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I have an organizing video for you guys. I wanted to share with you how I organize all of my Christmas wrapping supplies, such as the gift wrap paper and scissors and tapes and gift tags and like the gift bags, gift boxes. So yeah, so this video I'm just going to show you guys how I store it, organize it, so that way I know exactly how many I have, and so I'm not overbuying when it comes to like the after Christmas sales. So yeah, so let me go ahead and get started. I have 3 bins. I have the small bins with which organizes like all of my smaller items, and then I have this Sterilite. I don't know how many gallons this is, but this has like all my gift bags and boxes and Christmas cards, and then this one has my wrapping paper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how it looks on inside in each of the storage bins. So the first one is this Recollection storage bin with a tray. I really love this because it has like compartments for example, this is what I use it for. I used it for the tape. So I have 2 sections for the tape, and then this is my Christmas tags, gift tags, and yeah, so I actually like this because I could see visually how many I have left. Like for example, like if I'm running low on tape, I could like just write it down and say, you know, like how many more I need. And yeah, and also for the gift tags, I'll show you how I also store my gift tags in the other compartment. And then this one, I have like all my pens and my highlighters to write down, like, you know, like for Christmas cards or the tags. So it's really easy to see visually because I'm like a visual person, so I know like what I still need or what I am running low on as far as my supplies. So yeah, so this is the top of the tray. Bottom of the tray, I have like, so I actually reuse gift card containers. So these are actually gift card holders. They're super cute, and Eden and I and the kids, we get a lot of gift cards during Christmas, so I just keep it so that way I can reuse it. So I have a whole bunch of it, and then after Christmas sales, I go through my inventory to see the supplies that I need for next year, and knowing what you have, it makes it easy for you to know what you need for the upcoming year. And you could also take inventory of how you like wrapping your Christmas presents. If you like using gift bags or boxes and you just wrap it with the wrapping paper, so it really helps out to know exactly what you have in your inventory. So yeah, so I have the gift card boxes, and this is super cute, so you could reuse that. And then all of the items that I have, I don't get it regular price. I actually wait until it's like 75% off, not even 50% off. I wait till like 75%, and then that's when I'll purchase it. And these are the gift card holders, and I usually give gift cards to like my nieces and my nephew, like the older ones, so like for Starbucks gift cards and stuff like that. And over here I have more of the gift card containers or like bags. This is for a gift card, and then cute ones. So all these were like 75% off. And then like these tiny two gift bags, so these were like probably 75% off. I'll use this for like maybe like jewelry or just like of course like a small gift. And I could even probably put like a gift card and some chocolates or something like that. And then more of the bags and the gift card containers. And then these are all my tags. So I'm running low, so I'm gonna make a list of what I need for next year. So I still have like, I think this is still like a full set. So still have a bunch of these, so I could use this up. And so that is how this recollection, I'm gonna actually fix it up. Put that down, and then put this, because it's not gonna shut if I just leave it like that. Put it back the way I found it. So it's easy to take along upstairs in my office. So that's how that looks. Super cute. And I got this 75% off too, so 75% of $15. And then this Sterilite, I've had this for years. And I'll show you how it looks inside. And then so I got this a couple of years ago for 75% off, I believe. And I store like my bows because it's pretty sturdy. It's a pretty sturdy box, so that way my bows don't get ruined and smashed, because I've had that happen to my bows before if you just leave it in the bag that it comes in. So I had to switch it up and put it in this sturdy box. And this is my boxes, my clothing boxes that I keep in stock, because I use it throughout the year. Also, I use it throughout the year for birthdays or anniversaries or baby showers or whatever it is. Like I have boxes, extra boxes that I have, so I could just wrap it up and give it. And then over here are my Christmas bags, and I also reuse bags. Like if it's still like in good condition, I will reuse it. And if it's just for my kids also, like they don't really care if it's a used bag. If it's a used Christmas bag or anything, because they just take out the gift anyway, so I'll just reuse it. And then yeah, so this one is being reused. That was from last year. And what else is being? I think this one was being, like, for this one, look. I'm just gonna take out the sticker, or like just put the sticker over it again, or I'm just gonna use the same bag to give to Nathan. So yeah, I just reuse that. And then these bags, I kind of buy like neutral bags, so that way I could use it throughout the year. So for example, like this bag, I could use this throughout the year, and this was 75% off. And yeah, so I just have it also organized according to the size, so that way it's easy for me to locate. But this is not. There you go. So this is like the bigger bags, and then medium size, and then the smaller bags. And then I have some Christmas cards over here that I have, and I have 3 boxes, so I probably won't need to purchase any more. And then let me see. And I just have these boxes that I purchased last after Christmas sale. So I have plenty in stock, and my wrapping, my tissue paper is just behind here. So it's like nice and organized, and I can see exactly what I have, my inventory, so it's easy for me to know what boxes I need, or if I need any more of the bags. I really like bags because I usually normally get Bath and Body Works like lotions and body care, so it's easy for me to just store it, or wrap it in the bags and just put tissue paper. So I'm gonna get more of these bags, because this is like the perfect size bags for the Bath and Body lotion and spray. So I'm gonna get more of those. And then so I'm gonna put everything back. So that's where my boxes and my bags and bows and Christmas card goes. And then this is where this is also, let me see, I don't know what brand this is. Sterilite. So it's a Sterilite again. And this is where I put my wrapping paper. I don't have a lot of wrapping paper. This was actually from last year. Last year's wrapping paper. So I just keep that. So I probably won't get any more wrapping paper. And I also, like, again, I buy like a neutral wrapping paper so that way I could use it throughout the year. So this is perfect. Yep, so that is it. This is how I store my, I'm going to show you how it looks. How I store my Christmas wrapping supplies and how I organize it so I know exactly where to find each item, and I also know what I need as far as just in case like my inventory is low. So that is it, guys. So let me know down below like how you guys store your Christmas wrapping supplies. And yeah, and if you guys are excited for Christmas, it's only a couple of days left. I'm so excited. And yeah, so hopefully you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you guys at my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.